Have you ever felt obligated to your diet? Have you ever felt, well, I have to do this, I should do that? If you're in that mindset, what can happen is you're gonna want cheat days. If you feel like you have to do something to avoid death or avoid a heart attack, eventually what you're gonna think is, this diet is so boring, I need some relief, I'm gonna just do whatever I want on a Friday night. What if you were in a mindset where you get to follow this plan that your doctor provided, or dietitian or coach or whoever? What if you could shift to that mindset? It's not as easy as snapping your fingers. It requires intention and motivation and accountability, but shifting to a self-directed motivation is going to leave room for so much more energy in other areas of your life. If you're coming into your health or diet from an obligatory sense, you are going to burn out in a matter of time. I see it time and time again. Or your subconscious is going to resent parts of your life where you want to choose health, or it's going to resent the people that are advocating for you, or you're going to have a need to find an area to let loose. The damage that can be done with inflammation and weight regain or weight fluctuations in cheat days, I see it time and time again. It's playing with fire. If you have a plan where it requires rest or a cheat day, it's not a good plan. And paying attention to your thought patterns around your food matters. See what that feels like to say, I get to eat this today. And how does that change your energy around your meal? Hope this helps.